Hi and welcome. If you've lost or forgotten your passcode for your Amazon Kindle, here's how you reset it. Just before we do, please bear in mind that this is going to wipe all of the data from the Kindle. So if you were previously signed in with your account, you'll be able to pull all those books down. However, if someone else was signed in, you'll need to get them to sign back in. So we'll do the wipe now, and if you want to stick around, I'll show you how to set the Kindle back up and how to set a passcode. Right, let's get on with it. What we do is type in a series of numbers, and they are 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 7, 7, 7. Once you've done that, click OK. Now this takes a few seconds to get going, but this starts the process of wiping the device. And here we just exercise a little bit of patience. Okay, time to set up. We'll select English for the language. Get started. Connect to Wi-Fi. Select your Wi-Fi. You now enter your password, and if you wish, you can deselect Save Password to Amazon and Hide Password whilst you're typing it in. Once entered, click Connect. Use existing Amazon account if you already have one. Now you need to enter your email and your password. Next, we click Continue. You can choose to sign up to this free trial. I'll say no thanks. You can connect to Bluetooth, but I will set up later. Here it gives us some instructions how to navigate around. And now we are back at the home screen. So if we want to add a passcode, go to the three dots just here, then go to Settings, pop along to Device Options, then go into Device Passcode, and here you can choose a passcode. I suggest making a more secure one than this, but the choice is yours. Once you've selected, click OK, and you will now have a new passcode on your device. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, really appreciate if you can give it a quick thumbs up. It really helps me out so much. Thank you very much for choosing my video, and I wish you a great day ahead.